How to create a logo on Canva for your fashion designing brand. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Canva and create your own logo for your fashion designing brand. So let's get into it. Now, Canva is an online illustration platform that enables you to create gorgeous illustrations with a few simple clicks. And to get started, all you need to do is register on Canva. So I have created my account over here, and you just need your email address to sign up. Once you have signed up, you can begin designing on Canva, and it's absolutely free. Now, to get started, there are two options that you can go for. So first off, when you log on to Canva, you can go into their search bar over here and simply search for a logo. Now, once you search for a logo, you can click on over here, which is 500 by 500 pixels, and this will open up a large category of logos. So you can see that they will give you a bunch of different templates that you can get started with. So you can choose any one of these templates to get started with for your own fashion designing logo. You can even search for a specific category. So we are searching for fashion design. So we can go on over here and you can see there are so many different types of logos available. We're just going to search for fashion logos. So I'm just going to search for fashion logo over here. And now you can see there are so many elegant and amazing designs that I can pick from. And you can see some of these have this crown on the bottom. This is actually for the pro version of Canva only. So if you want those, then you would have to subscribe to the pro version of Canva. But we are going to get started with a free template. So let's say we want to get started with this template over here. So we will just open this up. And now you can see this logo has been opened. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on any element, any of the text elements. And let's say I want to add my fashion design name. So whatever is the fashion brand that I have, I want to enter the name of that in the center. So let's say it will be Gold Clip. And then on the back, I want to add the initials of that. So I'm going to make that GC or maybe just G. And then after that, I'm going to replace the bottom text. Maybe I wanted to say accessories, or instead of just designs, I wanted to say Gold Clip House or Fashion House, anything of your own choice. You can enter that on the bottom text. Now I wrote fashion house over here, and you might be wondering, okay, now it looks a bit off. I want it to be all in one line. So for that, you can just expand the text block over here, and then you can reduce the size of the text block. This will automatically reduce the overall size of the text, and we're just going to reduce that over here. And now you can see once I have this, I actually want to move this down a little, so I will move it right over here. And just like that, I have an amazing logo ready for my own fashion design brand. Now, in this way, you can customize any kind of clip or any kind of logo. Let's say I want to change the colors of this template. So for that, I'm going to click on the canvas. Then I'm going to click on these colors on the top left. Then I can click on add new color, and I can add a color of my choice, like this. Then I'm going to click on the text over here, the background text, and I will change the color of this to match the background. Then I'm going to take a look at the front text, and I want to maybe make this a darker color or a lighter color, or maybe I just want to add a little bit of an effect. So I will click on effects over here on the top right of my screen, and I can add any kind of effect. So I have lifted effect, hollow effect, splice, echo, glitch, neon, and background. So I just want to add a lifted effect. You can also choose the intensity of each effect as you want as well. So I just want a slightly lifted effect. And maybe I want to change the font of this, so I can click on the text over here, and from the top left you can choose any kind of font that you want. So I will just go on ahead. You can try out multiple different fonts and find the one that fits the overall design aesthetic for your fashion brand as well. And if you're running a fashion brand, you know how essential it is to make sure that your logo is, nice and interesting to look at, because people will be judging the overall design aesthetic of your fashion brand based on your logo, because, it is fashion. So you want to make sure that your logo represents your brand in a super nice and effective manner where people actually feel like, okay, they have an amazing logo, they must have amazing fashion items as well. So let's say I like this font over here, but I want to change the color of the background G, so I can go on over here and take that and change that. And now I will change this into maybe a darker shade. So I want to make this like a darker yellowish muddy tone. And then for the circle, maybe I also want to change that. So I can click on the circle over here and I can choose to make it any color that I want. So let's say I want to put this in a contrasting color. You can do that as well, like this. You can change any kind of color that you want, like so. And then on the bottom, you can do anything as you want. So if you want to add more additions into your logo, you can simply click on the elements over here on the left side of your screen. And then you can use any kind of illustration, any kind of image of your choice. Let's say I want to actually add a illustration to this, or maybe like an animation, you know, a illustration. So let's say I actually want to add an image of a gold safety pin or a safety pin or a clip, whatever it might be. So I'm just going to search for a safety pin, and then I can click on graphics over here, and this will show me all of the illustrations that are available for that specific item. So in this way, you can find illustrations for hundreds and thousands of items as well and add them to your logos. So let's say I like this, so I will just simply take the illustration and then I can rotate this as well, and then I can resize it over here. Then I can just, you know, make it fit however I like. I'm just going to do this and place this right over here like so, rotate it a little like this, or maybe I can place it on the other side, however you want to place your item, like this, like so. I think I am going to place it on the top, and once you have finished designing your logo, you can simply click on share on the top right over here, and once you have clicked on share, you can click on download and download this as a PNG or JPEG, and your logo is ready. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with a logo. You can also choose to create a custom size or even a blank logo, so you can get started from scratch, and they will show you some templates on the side as well, and you can, you know, combine multiple different elements from multiple different templates as well, and you have quite a large, you know, idea base using these templates to get started with your own original logo as well. So let's say I take this template over here and I could remove the central image, change the text to whatever my fashion house name is. So let's say my fashion house is Jane's Fashion, like this, Jane's Fashion Fusion, and then I can simply go into elements and I can search for any element of my choice, or even go into uploads and upload a image of my choice of, you know, my own product and put that in my logo. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.